It is a token of my love.
It is a token of my love
for you.
For you.
And a token
of
my faith.
It's time for the tossing of the bouquet. All the single ladies.
We are there.
Let's go to bouquet. I want to let that. I want to let that all the single ladies.
Hi, driver. Hi, driver.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Hey, it's mine. I came here to collect it.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I got it on show.
Betanang eh.
Betanang.
It's mine.
Give it another authority.
Patricia, it's all your time.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hi again,
I
guys.
wanna wake up with you.
Never mind the hair, we dance.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with
Yeah,
you
guys,
in
so
the
much
morning.
fun. We dance.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we fall.
Don't you care? Someone else is free. Hi guys. I don't think I've properly introduced the vlog. But anyway, hi guys. I think I vlogged yesterday. Yeah. So today is Saturday. Oh, welcome to another vlog. And welcome to my channel. I'm Ruth. I hope the camera made it too much noise. Anyway, my name is Ruth, and yeah, today we're vlogging. Yesterday we went to a wedding. I've had a rough week, literally. I've had clients the whole week. My eyes, I look tired, I know, yeah. So I really am tired. Anyway, so today is Saturday. Moving on. We are going to the mall. Me and we're going to the mall. We're going to buy a gift and a couple of stuff for the kids, and then we're gonna go for lunch. I don't know where. I'm not wearing earrings, guys, because I couldn't find identical knobs, and I didn't want to wear like big earrings because I'm tired. Yeah, I should probably put my shades on as well. Anyway, let me stop talking too much. Yeah, we'll catch you guys at the mall, after the mall, whatever the case is. Bye. Guys, so we just left spa. We're buying a few stuff. So how was the food, Vic? Yeah, the food was okay. I didn't like my burger, it was dry. So yeah, the food was not nice, but we ate. What else did we have? We ate. My burger was so dry, so I had to put sauces for myself. I don't know why, but anyway, we move. So yeah, we just left spa. Gonna have my ice cream and I have to go somewhere after this. Okay, bye.
Driver Bay for the day, guys. We have retired that title.
It's actually nice. It's really nice. Hi guys, so today is a Monday and I literally just got back home. I went to the mall with Amajizi to meet up with a friend who gave me a little gift. I've always wanted a face steamer, so this is it. I'm so excited to try this out. Yeah, and then she also got me chocolates. Anyway, yeah, so I just thought I should close off the vlog here. I last vlogged on, I believe, Saturday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I just went to church and just had, you know, some time. But yeah, there wasn't much that I was doing, so I literally just didn't have to vlog the day. But yeah, I just thought I should close the vlog here. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and everything. I really appreciate it. Oh, I changed, I was too lazy to change like the whole entire nail, so I redid these two, the art, and just left the other ones. I don't know why it's not focusing. Yeah, but that's what I did. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, so I got new stuff from a store, but I'm going to show you guys in my next vlog, or like I'll have like a dedicated video for that, but we'll see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much for my hair. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you.